Duh.
Duh. I love it.
Oh yeah.
We're here at our modern Meadow Remodel project. We have been working on this project for 2 years. So it's a long time coming and it's a full remodel. So we have basically gutted the entire house. Everything in here is new, everything has been redone, except for maybe the ceiling, which has actually been touched up.
Where is like the biggest change in the house?
The biggest change in this house is probably the main area. The great room used to have a huge fireplace that was really big, really bulky, kind of took up too much of the space. There was a square inlay of carpet in the middle of the tile that was pretty funky that we took out. So I'd say that area probably changed the most for the better. I think the most fun thing has been reconfiguring the spaces to have what the client wanted, which is more bedrooms, more bathrooms for her family to come and stay. And we've done a really good job of that. But I also think like the furnishings is just so fun. Like we did so much cool wallpaper and I think that's the best part.
So where are we at right now in the process of the install?
We've got accessories, bedding, draperies going in right now. So we're really in the thick of it, but it's pretty exciting. Oh, I love it. I want that.
It's so cute.
Wait, where'd you end up finding it again?
Rejuvenation.
Oh yeah.
What is this for?
It's a lamp.
It's a rechargeable lamp. We should talk about this.
It's not charged.
Give this a moment. Rechargeable lamps are real big right now. And this is so cute. But these are awesome because you can just put them on a shelf that doesn't need a wire, doesn't need an outlet. You don't see an ugly cord, and it's just so cute. I love it.
And then I have 2 more tiny ones for the kitchen. Yes. I know, they're so cute.
Rechargeable lamp moment is here.
No. How cute!
Oh, I love it so much. I need 10 of them. Order more. I also think that and this are my favorites. This little jelly
Oh, I love the jelly bean.
What is
I'm
this?
so glad.
This little jelly bean print. It's gonna go on the shelf downstairs. It's so cute. Add a little color.
The Williams Sonoma box we were missing, so that should be
Oh,
the only
good.
thing that's really missing.
Okay. Oh! It just,
What?
How did that happen?
it just like
It
exploded.
just popped. No.
Oh no. We need a surgeon. I don't even know how that happened.
I don't know how
Yeah.
that happened either. It was just sitting there.
It just
And we all
exploded.
nobody touched anything.
Nobody touched it. That is so weird. Like, do you think anything had to do with like the pressure?
Maybe.
I don't know.
I
Like,
twi- I-
we're at high
Altitude?
elevation.
You
Yeah.
have to twist this on, so I twisted, but it's not on tight. Like you can still.
I mean, that should
And
not
that shouldn't
happen.
affect the ceramic.
Yeah.
Like it wasn't like I like screwed it in way too tight.
That was so weird.
Well, I'll buy a new one, but maybe we can put it on the shelf for now.
Yeah. Just put
And
that
then
in the
you
back.
can take it home and you can fix it and have it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I will.
Or can't
It literally just
It
exploded.
was just sitting on the thing and then it just
Okay.
popped off like you heard it.
We had too much excitement. The pressure just built.
Yep.
Yeah, the lamp was like,
was
this
like-
is too
Couldn't
much
handle.
pressure for me, you guys.
I'm
supposed
not
to be a
that cool.
centerpiece. Is the other one?
Praise it too much.
I like that one.
Don't praise it too much, yeah.
It's brass. It'll just light on fire.
Yeah. You take that back, Campbell.
You were saying, Campbell, that nothing's broken yet, right?
Nothing major, no.
Nothing major. Okay, so the lamp's not major? Is that it? No?
At least in my book.
That's super rude. Oh, they're cute. Oh my gosh.
What we got? What we got?
That scared me. I thought I broke it. It's just the top. Look how pretty these cookie canisters are.
Yeah. Well, I didn't. Man, you're scaring me.
How those?
You're not gonna look at them from the top down.
There was like a big thing in design, like, I don't know,
yeah.
a few years ago where everyone was like, get rid of your boob lights. They're a little booby, but they're still cute.
They're cute.
Like the ones on the ceiling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is it?
These are all a bunch of little individual games,
Oh, I'm so excited
but
about
they
those.
look like books, so it looks like a bunch of books on a bookshelf, but it's like Monopoly on the side of the
And they're like
book.
the cutest colors.
Yeah, and they're fun colors.
Did you play a lot of board games growing up?
There was one year we went to Lake Hall as a family, there was a family fight that broke out around Secret Hitler. It got pretty heated.
Oh, I heard about that.
You've heard about it.
Boggle.
light.
Oh,
It said
light.
Lift. I'm like, what?
Lift?
When I was little, I used to cry if I was playing life. You know, like you like the car.
Uh-huh.
You put the little kids in the car, and if I didn't get any kids, I would like cry.
Oh.
It
Dang.
was important to me. Scrabble.
Oh, duh. Scrabble.
Yahtzee?
Yay!
Oh, adorable.
Oh, duh.
Oh,
chess. Duh.
Duh.
Is it
That's it.
Candyland?
No,
Ah.
there's one more. What
Yeah.
is it gonna be?
Do we have Clue yet?
Clue.
No, it's gotta be Clue.
Clue. It says Clue.
Gotta be Clue.
Yeah, I like that game. I forgot about it.
Boom. Clue. All the essentials. What is this you have
This
here?
is a candle snuffer.
Like to put out a candle?
Yeah, so instead of blowing out the candle like a peasant, you...
Gandalf.
Gandalf? It's on a pipe? You sure? What do we got here?
Rocks.
A rock?
3 rocks, actually.
3 whole rocks.
A set of 3
Rock
rocks.
sculptures. Yes.
Are they rock sculptures of rocks?
Pretty much. I think they're like rock spheres. Forbidden lollipop.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Rock.
Yeah, what do we got here?
I ordered it, so it must be cool.
What we got? What we got? Oh, the little
Probably
reveal.
really late. Oh!
What?
Oh my god!
Wow. Oh, wow, that works real good.
Does it?
Yeah.
I can't see that. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Whoa. It's like all like warpy. This is so fun.
Look at these. These are bookends, but they're puzzle pieces.
They're probably pretty hefty. Honestly. Is that the rug for this space? Honestly, this could probably carpet my whole house.
All 800 square feet of it. My house. Tanner, is that okay if it's like going to the side?
Yeah, I'll still pick it up.
Okay.
Can this like...
Half of install is like getting your body into weird positions and
It
weird
is.
places.
It's getting there, but it's not there. I think we need book.
Oh yeah, we need books. Duh.
Duh. Okay, now try the plant on that. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, I think I like it. But everything needs to shift this way a little bit. Let's try this at the very top, center.
We love this guy.
What is this?
We don't know.
It's cool, that's what it is.
It's a container for things.
Fair.
Everyone needs a container for things. Or a container for nothing.
feel like-
Because it's going to be at the very top.
True.
It could be a hat box.
Box.
Okay, to the left. One more. Okay. It's really hard to tell if it's cool with these clamps on there.
The clamps are part of the look.
I don't know. Let's try one thing with it. I think it's just because it's light. Try this on the left side of it and push it over to the right a little. Push the blue in a little. It's feeling more balanced because I think we've got like the blue situation.
Yeah. I mean, we could do like that white vase.
Oh, let's try that. Good enough for now.
Okay.
Okay, let's marinate on that.
Okay.
Maybe this can be the candy jar.
Oh, could go down there. That's cute.
Oh, I like it.
I don't know. I like the vase up top and the canister. It doesn't bug me.
Okay.
We're resurrecting our lamp. Campbell glued it back together.
Really?
Yeah.
Temporary.
They're getting a new one. but
Temporary
for the time
fix.
being.
And then Laura gets to take it home, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna take the cracked one because it's so cute. I'll just hide it.
I changed my mind. Installs are a lot about like getting your body in weird positions and stuff, but it's also a lot about just standing and looking.
Yeah.
We do this a ton. Like half of our day is just contemplating.
I think I really like the cherry. I'll tell you that.
I love the cherry.
Carlos. Yeah, so this whole room was supposed to feel very Jenny Kane inspired.
Mm.
Did you get that?
I see it. I do see it.
What's that?
Oh, Tanner.
Oh, Tanner. You
out of
don't
the
know
loop.
So
who
naive.
Jenny Kane is?
Here, let me show you who Jenny Kane is. This
Yeah.
is her book right here.
Yeah, actually.
She has a book.
She has many books.
Oh.
Actually, she just has 2, I think.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, she's just an interior designer. Very minimalist, very California,
Yeah, lots of, yeah.
very natural, very organic.
Yeah, very good job describing it.
Thank you.
Very
You
good.
nailed it.
I do work in marketing.
Yeah, I can tell.
We want to do a shoot at our Fifth Avenue Ranch project
cow in
with
the
the
house?
cows in the house.
Yes.
Because Jenny Kane has a famous shoot that she
Reel.
did
And the
where
reel.
she has goats
My favorite
in
ever.
her home on like her California ranch property. And we're gonna one up her and we're gonna do it with cows. So take that, Jenny Kane. We love her. We're just trying to be like her.
Well-
We've got baby cows and Highland cows and gypsy horses
Yeah.
and baby gypsies.
And cats.
Perla can be in it. And
this
sometimes
need
we
to
get
go-
geese.
Does this need to go over further?
Oh, let's stand right. I think it's good there. This one needs to come in though more.
Okay.
Tell me everything that you want.
Yeah.
I've been trying to fix all the faults, my dear. Sometimes I feel you're selling your soul.
Okay, we're wrapping up our install. It's actually been a really smooth install, one of our smoothest. Aside from the lamp exploding, things went pretty well, so I'll take it. We still have a few more things we're working on, and the clients are coming, and they're gonna bring some of their own stuff that we're gonna incorporate in, style in, so we still have some work to do, but I think we're in a pretty good spot. So once we have all of that done, and we have everything styled and perfect, we're gonna take you guys on a tour through this place and show you every last detail.